Getting set up. Ano bang itsura nung si set up mo sa akin? Ang bait nito, grabe. Ganon? Oo. Ano ang itsura niya? Alam mo, may trabaho na to, ang tagal na. Nakagbili na nga ng bahay eh. Inuna kasi yung career. Baka ikaw na yung kulay. Hindi nga nung itsura. Okay talaga. Maganda ba? Ang ganda. Ganda ng ugali niya. Or sometimes the more aggressive girls will try to set you up themselves. They'll like give you that call. Oh, hello, Michael. Remember me, your classmate in college, the one who never talked to you? Yeah, I do. Hi, what's up? How's life? Would you like to have coffee with me? Yes. And then you meet up with your friend. She's like in the coffee shop 10 minutes early. Sit down, Michael. You're like, yeah, how have you been? You're 31, right? Yeah, you remember me. I know, because we're the same age. Oh, yeah. Non-smoker? Yeah, non-smoker. Fit pa. I know. Did you know that if you save 60 pesos a day, that's like 21,900 in 1 year? Oh, talaga. And have you ever heard of Sun Life? Now, can you sign these documents now? Or I will go away. And after signing those papers, you're like, sige na nga, 21,900, might be worth it. And after everything is done, I'm sorry, Michael. I can only love you as a brother. Anyway, down to my last 3 jokes because I've got things to do. So, you can't really blame me for being single because sometimes I feel that girls don't make sense. Now, I'm not trying to hit on anybody. I'm just talking about a select few. Like this morning, I wanted to invite a friend out for dinner, so I gave her a call. Hello, Jinky. Mag-dinner naman tayo mamayang gabi, oh. Mike, dinner? Ano mo, kaka-facial ko lang eh. Ayoko pang lumabas. Ang pangit ko pa. Di ba yung facial, pampalinis yun ang mukha? So after ang facial mo, at pangit ka pa rin, pangit ka talaga. I mean, come on, huh? But seriously, women are smarter than men, I have to admit. Women are smarter. In fact, you can figure this out when you're out in public. Whenever I see a group of girls talking, they're always talking about the essential things in life, really smart stuff. Things like, you know what, I quit my job now. Why? Because I put up my own business. Oh wow, you're so smart. Yeah, I learned that in my MBA. You have an MBA? Yeah, I took it while I was working. Oh, goodness, yeah, oh, girlfriend. And guess what? What? I broke up with my boyfriend. Why? Because I caught him cheating, gave him another chance, and after 2 weeks, he was cheating on me again, so I erased him from my life. And it doesn't even hurt. Here, hold my heart. And over by the men's table, they're all talking about important stuff too, but they're all really sedated. Pare, ipalower ko kaya yung kotse ko. Alam mo, pag pinalower mo yung kotse mo, 3 na lang kayo makakasakay. Oh, hindi nga. Oh. Huwag na lang, buti na lang, nakusap kita. Oh, walang okay lang yun. You are so smart. Yeah, you know, galing. I feel I can be so open with you. That's alright. Pare, paano kung ito, serious question. Paano pag pinabili ka? Si Nikki Hill o lahat ng sex bomb dancers? Nikki Hill ako, no? Talaga. O, sige. Second question. Papayag na si Nikki Hill, no? Okay. Pero magda-dance showdown na ako ni Billy Crawford. Sige, sex bomb na lang. Hindi ko kaya si Billy Crawford. Anyway, March always reminds me of my yearbook. This is my last joke. Thank you very much, Peria. You've been a great crowd. Thank you. March always reminds reminds me of my graduation. In fact, I like opening my yearbook every now and then because it brings back memories, you know, of forgotten youth, something like that. I like reading through the write-ups. And sometimes while reading the write-ups, I kind of feel that my classmates simply copied from one another. I mean, the yearbook write-ups should be about you, right? But like in my yearbook, I found 10 people who were angels in disguise. 30 people who were 1 in a million. 10 guys who said, how can someone as charming be so witty? Kaya nga siya charming, malamang witty siya, you know? 5 guys who didn't know the meaning of the word defeat. How did they graduate? 3 girls who claimed to be the Maria Clara of the 90s despite being self-professed party animals. Wow, paradox. Somebody who was emotional and fragile but had a strong personality. Another paradox. I mean, yearbook write-up should be about the truth, about yourself. That way when somebody opens to your page, he or she will, you know, learn a little something about you. Kind of like my write-up. I was going to bring my yearbook, but it was too heavy, so I just memorized it. After opening through my yearbook, I just memorized my yearbook because I have a photographic memory. Would you like me to share with you my yearbook write-up?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's do that, okay. So I can still remember my yearbook picture. It was something like this. Bunson Michael, 4-eyed. Michael, an angel in disguise. He's 1 in a million. How can someone as charming be so witty? Don't be fooled though, because underneath that emotional and fragile facade is a strong person who doesn't know the meaning of the word defeat. He's the best friend you'll ever find. Truly the Maria Clara of the 90s. Thank you very much. 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 I have another show tomorrow night at Conspiracy Garden Cafe. That's on 59 Visayas Avenue. So if you're in the area, please drop by. I'd be happy to put you on the guest list as long as there are still seats. If not, you can just sit outside. It's okay. I'll talk to you after the show. Anyway, thank you very much again for inviting me.